you're a smoker
No,
and neither am I, and perhaps hope to get cigarettes at a cheaper price through an employee friend or a pensioner in the Vatican, well, you're out of luck.
Pope Francis has outlawed the sale of cigarettes at the Vatican, which are usually sold to employees in a luxury duty-free shop.
Now, a statement from the Vatican reads, the reason is very simple. The Holy See cannot contribute to an activity that clearly damages the health of people.
Pope Francis has only one lung and doesn't smoke, continues the statement. And it comes a day after the pontiff chided Catholic faithful for using their mobile phones during Mass. He said it made him sad when many phones were held up during a time that should be dedicated to prayers, not mobile phones.
Well, the Holy Father apparently hasn't used a mobile phone since his election, despite being an avid user of social media.